My name is Paul with Archer Services. And today I wanted to go over a few things with St. Augustine turf grass. So what I want to show you here today, the main way to protect your St. Augustine lawn going into this late summer and especially the winter where we could possibly get another freeze this year, is the height that your yard is mowed at. We're going to take a measurement of this yard right here just to show you the height that a St. Augustine lawn should be mowed at. The top of these blades that are grown up are at 5 inches. This yard is cut probably around 3.5 to 4 inches, somewhere in that area. It is mowed with a small mower, so that helps out even more. But the biggest thing is this height here that you see. We want to keep this yard at that height of 3 to 4 inches with St. Augustine turf grass. So a St. Augustine turf grass, when we cut it at that height of 3 to 4 inches, what that does is it leaves a good layer, pretty much like a blanket for the lawn. It'll help protect it during those freezes and help keep that heat in and help protect the runners that go through there and keep those from freezing and dying. Also, during those extreme droughts, it'll also help keep the moisture down in the ground, and it keeps the sun off of the root system of this St. Augustine so it doesn't get burned up as well. So it does take a few mowings to get that height up, but once you get it there, you'll still get a very similar look as you did when it was being cut short. It is something, if you're using a weekly lawn maintenance company, you do have to work with them on really pushing them to get that lawnmower raised up